If you're heading back for the holidays and in need of a great travel pack, then you're going to want to check this out. Today, we are taking a deep dive into the Matador SEG28 Travel Pack, coming right up. Hey, what's up guys? This is Jin from Oribags, and on this channel, we are all about coming up with product videos and tips to help you carry better and make better purchase decisions. So if this is your first time watching, please consider subscribing. Alright, so let's start with the basics. The SEG28 is a 28-liter travel pack made for the organized and efficient traveler. So if you like pockets or segments, chances are you're gonna like this backpack. It's a great sized pack for a 2 to 3 day trip, so let's dive in. Alright, so first up, let's check out the design. Now, first thing that definitely pops up would be its segmented design, hence why it's called SEG28. Now, this reminds me of a chest of drawers, don't you think? Different 4 levels of drawers over here all stacked up, or built-in packing cubes. Now, as I mentioned earlier, if you like things organized, very efficient, and all segmented with pockets, like there's a pocket for everything, then you are really gonna like this one. Now, first up, I want to know, let me know what you think of this overall design. Comment below. With a 28-liter capacity, this bag also meets personal item requirements, but I would say take it with a pinch of salt, because at the end of the day, requirements differ from airline to airline. And I think because of its soft-sided design, you can kind of manipulate the situation with the way you pack. So overall, in terms of design, besides the segments, I didn't think it was over-complicated or anything. I do find this design to be overall pretty clean, very well made. Features are overall very thoughtful and functional. And FYI, this bag is also available in black as well. I know what you guys are thinking. Jin, a white travel pack? Crazy, yeah? I know. They do have it in black as well, but come on, white is so pretty, right? But you know what? I'm not sure how I would feel about it when it gets dirty. Oh well, some days I wish all backpacks were machine washable. So here's hoping. The SEG28 is made with durable, weather-resistant fabrics, some of the best materials from the outdoor industry. So whether you're caught in a rain or trekking through some dusty trails, no worries, your gear will stay safe and dry. So it's really the kind of bag that you can trust for any kind of outdoor adventures or urban commuting alike. Alright, it's time for some deep diving. Let's go through all the features, starting with the zippers. Every exterior zipper on this bag is coated, which makes it weather resistant, so it's perfect for outdoor activities. And these are all the good kind of zippers, really easy to zip and unzip. It's very smooth, and they all have anchor loops at the end so that you can kind of like anchor it, and you can grip it down and work the zippers. They also provide security to your zippers. So all you need to do is just grab your zipper tabs, put them through the loop, and you would have a secured zipper. All right, next, let's check out these top pockets over here. This one over here, this is an admin pocket. Now, check this out. Look at the space. It goes in fairly deep. So I did a rough measurement, and it's about 10 inches deep. So you have an idea of what you can and cannot put inside here. Now, inside this pocket itself, you'll find another zipper compartment. Let me just open it up. And within over here, you'll find some elastic loops. So I'm guessing it's great for organizing your chargers and cables. Moving along, this compartment over here, this is a dedicated laptop compartment. So let's check this out, okay? So it's nicely padded so that it keeps your laptop safe. Now, with travel packs, it really makes so much sense for the laptop compartment to be separated from the main compartment, because it's just so much easier and smoother at security checkpoints too. Now, all around the bag, you'll find these very sturdy, very comfortable handles that are extremely useful when traveling. So you've got 1, 2, 3 handles over here. So these are extremely helpful, especially when pulling your bag from the overhead compartment, from under your seat. You get the picture. Next, we've got an elastic water bottle pocket. So there's only one on this side of the bag, and it even comes with a very thoughtful thumb loop or finger loop, particularly handy when you need to squeeze in large water bottles. So you just loop it up and there you go. All right, so now it's time to show you guys the main event. All the segments or compartments at the front here, okay? So there are a total of 4 segments, so this is pretty unique. Let me just have them all unzipped. Okay, so these segments are stacked in different sizes, with the bottom ranging from the largest to the smallest. So the bottom over here, this is 10 liters, has a 10-liter capacity. Over here, 8 liters, 6 liters, and 4 liters. Now these aren't just regular compartments. Okay, remember earlier I said that these were like chest of drawers or built-in packing cubes, right? So let me elaborate further. See, the inside of these compartments are completely expandable spaces, and they expand into the main compartment of the bag itself. So this is a whole new style of packing where you can treat these pockets as part of your main packing space. All right, but first let me open up the main compartment so that I can elaborate further. And just to highlight these zippers again, these are great zippers. They're so easy to undo. I don't know why they are so different compared to the Globe Rider 45. The ones on the Globe Rider are pretty hard to undo, right? So anyway, now this compartment opens up clamshell style. So now looking at this situation over here, you've got 2 options for packing. Now one is going the traditional route, which is to pack everything in this main cavity. So I'm using the Matador packing cubes over here, and as you can see, it fits all 3 cubes very nicely. Now if you prefer this style of packing, then all you need to do is just stow away the segmented pockets. Yes, you can stow it away. Let me just show you. See, they each come with a hook over here and a loop. So you just need to connect both. Just loop it through the hooks over here to stow the segmented pockets away. And then you can just pack as per normal using the entire 28-liter carry-all cavity. Now the other way will be to pack your belongings by segment, the unique way. All right, so let me just get out all these packing cubes, all right, and I'm gonna release the segmented pocket over here. Let me just release it and close it back. Okay, so for example, assuming you would pack your bottoms here, your tops here, towels and socks, and toiletries will go in here. So just give you a quick example of how it might possibly look like. Okay, so as you can see, when you pack it up in these segments, the lining expands all the way into the main space, into the main cavity earlier. So what is interesting is that you can really get flexible with this style of packing. So you could even like keep things separated, like clean clothes here, dirty clothes here. So it's really amazing. It's so flexible. You can just pack it however you want. Amazing stuff. Now, when you're traveling, comfort is key. The SEG28 is designed with cushioned shoulder straps and a breathable back panel to keep things cool and dry and comfortable, especially on those longer walks or longer commutes. Now, when they say cushioned, I mean seriously, I wish you could just have a go at this. This is really well padded, and the shoulder straps and the back panel are all padded with EVA foam. So yeah, this is really great stuff. And a must for any travel pack would be definitely an adjustable sternum strap and a hip belt as well. So this is great for complete weight distribution and all-round carry comfort. So with these two, it makes the bag super comfortable even when it's packed, and I cannot stress enough the difference these extra straps make to the overall carry experience. Now, the moment I have all of these straps adjusted properly, the backpack, when fully packed, feels just like an extension of my body. The weight of the entire backpack will be very evenly distributed, allowing you to go all day without any pains. There is also a luggage pass-through, so you just need to undo the Velcro over here. This is a luggage pass-through, and inside this back panel over here, you'll find a smuggler's pocket, great for your passport or any other sensitive items that you want to keep away. And lastly, on each side of the bag, you will find compression straps to streamline your bag. And that's it, folks. That's all you need to know about the Matador SEG28 Travel Pack. It's a unique backpack designed with segments to help you stay efficient and organized while traveling. I'd love to know what you think of the SEG28, so let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Anyway, I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and since this is going to be our last video of 2024, I'd like to take this opportunity to wish you all happy holidays and happy new year. I'll see you guys in 2025. Bye! Let me just have them all unzipped. Okay. Alamak, this one. Never mind, you cut from there, okay? Look at this cushion. It's got cushioned. What am I doing? It's got cushion. Yeah, cushion. See you next time. No, see you next year. Stupid. One more time. See you next year.